Here's another threading tool I got to touch up. Had to put a notch in it here to clear a shoulder. But high-speed steel's a good choice for smaller stuff, I think. You know, we're not running at very fast speeds, kind of hard on some carbides. So, here I am. Hope you're all doing well. It's a little too early for me to crank up the machines here, so I'm getting, excuse me, I'm getting my voice back, though, from that cold. So I'm getting set up to make a small thumb screw here. And I've made them before, and I thought I'd just go ahead and turn the camera on and make some little thumb screws here. One thing about if you're restoring something like this machine here was missing the thumb screws. I think one of them was here for the adjust the dials. See. You lock it with that. One up here too. And I think this one had just a set screw stuck in it, and this one had a real battered, maybe the original part. But if you make both of them, see, you can make them look the same. So that's my tip of restoring antique. I've done that a lot with restoring old motorcycles and other engines and stuff that have some special thread screws. Like Harley Davidson on early bikes used aluminum United States Special, which was between fine and coarse. I think it was a quarter 24 for some of them. Anyway, so I ended up making a lot of screws, and I used to get them cadmium plated at a couple places locally, but those places are long gone. So I don't know, but I haven't really had a call for that much. So anyway, so I'll get set up and get some screws made. And this machine, I can tool it up so many different ways. And I found for really small screws, I kind of like just a plain small AXA wedge type tool post. Okay, I'll be back. Looks about right. Let's see if I can put a little knurl in there. We'll try it again. I think I'll lean it a little bit. I think that may be it. That's it. I like it. Okay, be right back. Well, I'm going to speed it up a little bit. We're at 264. And get it up to 849. All I got to do is move this lever all the way over. And if you're not careful, you have to shut the machine off. You get stuff spinning. Get stuff grinding. Okay, here we go. Left, right hand. There we go. Yeah, maybe you can see it from there. That's the diameter, 632 screw. That's 3/8 oil hardening drill rod. I think I can get 2 screws out of this. Look. I forgot to check the height. This is a small tool post here that I normally use on the monarchs. Well, it's way below. So I'll get that tool up to height. I use this old height gauge here. And that's it. Okay. We'll get back to it. Hey, blow it up. Looks like it's going to crack. Well, a little bit. See what direction we're going. Right about there, I think's enough. Keep going. About 3,500 speed there. 850 RPM. Nothing anymore. 30,000, I don't know. That's high-speed steel. High-speed steel cutter here. Leaving a really good finish. Another 30. I'm also kind of getting the feel for the machine making small parts. This will be the smallest screw I've made. You can see that cutting wax stays on there. Okay, I'll get it the final size and we'll cut the thread. Now somehow I got my wires crossed and I made a 632 thread screw instead of an 832. But I left enough knurling there to make another screw. So I'll try it again. Then I'll set that aside because I'll probably end up needing a 632 knurled screw. Okay, I'll get set up here. We'll cut that off first. Should be good. I'm just going to give it a little decorative little edge here. Yeah, that looks good. See a little bit more. Make sure I get to 170. Trying to remember the number I'm on. That looks about right there. tight squeeze on this new screw. Now I'm moving it over a little bit. Yeah, right about there, and that'll kind of give that a cap. Then I can finish machine the back side of it. Hope it keeps cutting. I might have to take the hacksaw to it, but it looks pretty happy right there cutting. As long as I keep doing it, okay. It's going to be pretty tight, but I'm going to give it a try. Okay, hold on. Now that's a short screw there, number 832, running at 351 RPM, and I got to engage, disengage, and the half nuts and withdraw the tool. Start telling me that just a little bit back, give myself a lot of room. Get it back, feed it in. Looking good so far. I haven't crashed it. All lined up. Keep going on it. Here we go. I don't know. I don't think that's looking too bad. I better check it. Take and file it just a little bit here. Got enough sticking out that I do. Just slightly tight, but it might be perfectly fine. Oh, that's perfect fit. I'll drill the end of the screw for a small piece of brass. Yeah, that will make it perfect. Okay, we'll cut that off. This kind of anyway, it's a little wide for this, but we'll suffer through it. Okay. I want it at the same speed. I'm going to make, since the knurl's pretty short, I'll make a little more of a decorative top. Okay, then we'll move it over right about there and cut it off, I think. Yeah, then I can shape it. Still coming. I used all high-speed steel on these. Okay, we'll finish the head of this screw here. Number 832 this time. So we're on speed. Fastest in to go, 1127. I think from right there you can. Put the light in there. And there's a little screw. Okay, I've got one more thing I'm going to do with this. I'm going to make a little puck for this, but I'm going to make this look a little better, and I'll show you how. Okay, get some light on the subject here. Okay. Now this here is a crack pipe lighter, special Hunter Biden edition. I don't care if you don't like that or not. I think it's a great crack pipe lighter, I guess. But we'll use it for heat treating screws, because we don't use crack around here. See if I get this lit. Yeah. Gonna be stubborn. Because there we go, it lit right up. Okay. And turn the gas up. Get a lot of air to it. Let's heat this screw up. Now, what's in here is this dark thread cutting oil, high sulfur oil. That's what's in there. You can tell I've used these all the time. Needle nose pliers for this. So what we're going to do, we're going to heat that up. And it takes a little while. I hope you're all doing good today. We got good weather. I'm feeling good. My little garage here is working out real good. You can see it's getting hot, isn't it? Yeah, I'm gonna get that pretty darn hot. Yeah, see? Handy little torch, isn't it? I'll get about as far as I can. This is oil hardening drill rod, and it's really pretty tough. If I had the settling here, it'd probably get a little bit harder. And I don't know if I can get the tip of that at the critical temperature. It doesn't really need to be heat treated. Likely about as hot as it's going to get, so then we put it in here. And it's boiling away down there, and I'm going to fish it out now. Now, see, if I brought it to critical temperature, I could let it sit, and it would temper and not be glass hard and break off. But what I did accomplish, I better watch this can here. That could be an explosion. Get that thing out of here. I don't like aerosol cans around, and I don't really like WD-40 much. Okay, so we're shut off here. Let's see what I can do. Yeah. Get that dried off. Still a little bit warm. And then it goes into this hole in this tool I made. And I think it's worth taking the time and making a nice part for this. Now I got a real tight fit on that ring that this slips over, and it's all that's needed is just a little snug from that. Yeah, we're off. Okay, have a good one. I think I can put together a video of all this stuff I'm doing here. Okay, bye. Okay, this is done. Now this is a set screw. That is the same as this. This is just slipped over one of these collars, okay? So to position the collar, you have to line the hole up here and lock the collar down. But I also need it so the indexer here could be independently adjustable. So that's what this thumb screw is for. Here, I loosen that, then I can adjust it independent of the lock collar without disturbing it. Okay, I still have to make the upper part for the heavier finger. And that sort of has a locking feature, and I think that'll really make this pretty nice. Okay. Thanks for coming along, me just kind of bebopping in here. And, you know, I'm getting this place more functional. The more I'm doing little things like making things, the more things are kind of falling in line. And I might even get efficient in a one-car garage. Okay. Bye-bye.